Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5 in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will get you connected in just a few simple steps. First, open your Exness account by going to my.exness.com. Sign in, or if you don't have an account yet, create one. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to My Account on the left side of the dashboard. Here, find the trading account you want to connect. For me, it's my Real MT 5 standard account. Next, click the three dots on the far right of your account and select account information. You'll see two key pieces of info, your MT5 login and your server. Keep these handy, you'll need them in a moment. Now, open your MetaTrader 5 desktop app. At the top left, click File and then open an account. Type in Exness and hit Find Your Company, look for Exness Technologies Ltd, and click Next. Sometimes it might take a couple of tries if it's slow, but keep going. It will open. Instead of creating a new account, select Connect to an existing trade account. Paste your MT5 login from earlier, enter your Exness password, and choose the server exactly as it appears in your account info. Double check everything, then click Finish. And that's it! You're now successfully connected and your Exness trading account is fully linked to MetaTrader 5. You can start trading right away, track your positions, and manage your account seamlessly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to support the channel. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.